Guys, listen to me very carefully. If you are tired of watching other people move abroad while you are stuck battling high proof of funds, endless visa rejections, and expensive university tuition, don't sleep on this. Right now, there is a massive, life-changing backdoor open in Europe. Scotland is literally screaming for workers. And the best part? They are offering free visa sponsorship so you can move your entire family this year. Today, I am giving you the exact strategic immigration blueprint to land a sponsored job in Scotland from your home country. This is mind-blowing, guys. Scotland is facing a critical labor shortage and a rapidly aging population. They need driving forces to keep their economy booming. Because Scotland controls its own local recruitment targets within the UK framework, Scottish employers are aggressively using the official skilled worker visa and the health and care worker visa routes to bring in global talent. This is a massive market gap, and if you play your cards right, you can use it to secure your family's future in a beautiful, safe country with free healthcare and world-class education for your kids. Priority sectors and salaries. 1. NHS Healthcare Support Services. Roles: Nursing Auxiliaries and Hospital Assistants, SOC Code 6131, Laboratory Technicians, Dental Hygiene Therapists. Monthly salary: £2,160 to £2,830 per month. While standard private care home visas closed for families, NHS hospital nursing auxiliaries are fully open for sponsorship, exempt from the massive health surcharge, and you can legally bring your partner and kids. 2. Hospitality and Accommodation Management. Roles: Restaurant Managers, Hotel Operations Managers, Catering Establishment Managers. Monthly salary: £2,660 to £3,470 per month. 3. Social Security and Administration. Roles: Case Managers, Modern Apprentices, Data Entry Administrators. Monthly salary: £2,150 to £2,660 per month. 4. Engineering and Technology. Roles: Renewable Energy Technicians, Graduate Software Engineers, Maintenance Electricians. Monthly salary: £3,470 to £4,580 per month. 5. Logistics and Supply Chain. Roles: Customs Compliance Officers, Export Operations Managers, Transport Coordinators. Monthly salary: £2,780 to £3,500 per month. The step-by-step application. Step 1. Format your CV the UK way. Stop sending generic, 5-page resumes. Your CV needs to be clean, punchy, and structured to the UK standard. Focus heavily on your practical skills, certifications, and hands-on experience. Step 2. Target the right job portals. Do not waste your time on random job boards. You need to use the official platforms where licensed sponsors actively recruit. 1. Gov.uk, specifically the Find a Job portal, and filter your search by typing visa sponsorship or looking at the official register of licensed sponsors. 2. Jobs.scot.nhs.uk, if you are looking at healthcare or nursing support roles, go straight to NHS Scotland Careers. Every single health board in Scotland is a registered visa sponsor. 3. Use major regional platforms like Indeed UK or JobSite UK and use the location filter for Scotland combined with the keyword sponsorship. Step 3. Secure your COS, Certificate of Sponsorship. Once you pass your interviews and get the job, your employer will issue a digital document called a Certificate of Sponsorship. This document has a unique reference number linked directly to your visa application. Step 4. Apply for your visa. With your certificate number and English test ready, you submit your visa application online on the official UK government website. Processing typically takes just 3 weeks. Once approved, you pack your bags and move. So guys, what do you think? Could Scotland be your next destination in 2026? Let me know in the comments. Tell me your country and the job sector you're interested in. I read your comments and they also help me decide which country to cover next. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest visa sponsorship opportunities, work permits and immigration updates from around the world. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.